Voila! I think it looks alright. What do you reckon?
Hey guys, it is Friday and we've just gone to get fish and chips and we've tested out the new local, so I'm really excited and I hope this is going to be good. You see, it was packed. It's really not easy opening something up with one hand and trying to vlog at the same time. Yes, please assist.
Ooh, that looks really good.
They look delicious.
Adulting tip to save money. So you buy one of these when you get fish and chips, and because the use by date is about 12 months worth, so you would actually use it every single time. Rather than paying $1 or $2 each time for a tiny little tub. You pay $1 or $2 and you can use it multiple times. Ding! So after our fish and chips, we are putting some artwork onto our walls. Let's see what we're up to. So that is what the artwork is meant to look like. I mocked these up on the computer, so hopefully it will look like that. So instead of buying ready-made frames, Joe found a store or an artist on Etsy, and she's actually based in Melbourne, so she sells prints that are ready-made prints. Anyways, she sells prints, huh? Digital prints, that's what So she sells digital prints which you can download and print yourself, or she could also print them out for you and send them out. So we found a few of the prints that we like from her Etsy store, and we decided to print them out ourselves. This is the big one. I just printed this from Officeworks. And because they're going to be inside frames, so the quality of paper or print doesn't really matter as much. I'm going to start hanging them up with our favourite 3M strips, the ones that don't require any drilling or nailing into your walls. So these are the prints. We forgot to vlog, but we've put them into these frames. We got these frames from IKEA. They were one of the cheapest ones, and also the one style that comes in different sizes because we wanted all the frames to look the same. So we got mostly black and a bit of white. This is a little quote that my sister drew, so she does some lettering and calligraphy, so Joe will put her link down below. I like to use these Velcro strips as opposed to hooks, because if you're trying to do a collage, you have much more control over placements in the frames where you want them to be exact, so they don't move around. If you put on hooks, they may tilt from side to side and it'll be hard to actually line them up with all the other frames as well. So that's from experience from putting up prints at our previous place. One way to make sure that your frame is up nice and straight, use a spirit level. voila! I think it looks alright. What do you reckon?
Hey guys, it's Saturday afternoon and actually no, it's almost evening now. And I had my friends over today so I didn't vlog, but then we went to Kmart and came back with a lot of things. We had a trolley load full of things, so I thought I'll do another home decor haul. So first up, I saw these online and I was really interested to see what they look like. So they're glass bookends, which we want to put some books on top of the, I call it the fireplace because it used to be a fireplace but now there's a heater. But we want to put some books there. So I thought these bookends were pretty nice. So that's pretty nice. Very nice and heavy, which is I guess what you need. I feel like it's something that looks more expensive than it is. In saying that, I actually don't even know how much this was, but I'm sure it wasn't much. Next up, we got these containers, and we got about 6 of these to put all those health food stuff that you would have seen in the previous vlog if you watched it. So they all just came in little paper bags, so we thought it would be nice to organise it and chuck it in these. So that's what we got this for. Next up, I have this ottoman, which we currently have the pink one, which I really like it, the pink one, because it's like a nice blush pink. And I got this one to sit on for my makeup station so that I can just like put it underneath the table when we're not using it. So I think that's really good value. I can't believe how expensive ottomans are elsewhere. So like this is $29, but if you go to like Freedom or a store like that, they're easily like $100 and I don't really see the difference. But yeah, so that's really good value. Also got this placemat here. We have this in pink and I really like this. Like I feel like it definitely looks like you got it not from Kmart, and it's just like this wooden placemat, but I got this one to put on the coffee table, but I'm thinking that I might get it in black instead. I'm still unsure, but really like this. Also got this pink tray. This currently has no purpose. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I got it anyway, and I figured if I can't work out where I'm going to put it, I can just return it. But if you haven't noticed, I am loving this sort of blush pink colour for home decor right now. We also got a couple of frames, and this is to put on the fireplace. Don't really know what we're going to put in it yet, but we thought we'd match these to the ones that are on the wall. And we also got some nice salad bowls. So I don't really have any nice salad bowls, and they're just so cheap at Kmart, and they definitely look more expensive than they are. So we got this one, and I think this was on clearance for $5. And I really like this one. It's like that imperfect sort of look. And then to go with that, I also got this dish here, and we're gonna have quite a few friends over the next like month or so because they want to have a look at our house, so I thought this would be good to have. And that's it. Hey guys, it's the next day and Phil's got a wedding shoot all day today. I've got my friends coming over later this afternoon, but I thought that before they come, I'm going to transfer all that stuff into the containers that we bought yesterday at Kmart and label them. So I'll show you a bit of our sort of kitchen slash pantry organisation. And there we have it. We've got pine nuts here, rolled oats, which the whole packet didn't fit in, which kind of upsets the OCD in me. There's only just a little bit left, but I don't think it's going to fit in here. We've got raw cacao powder, shredded coconut and dates, and some dried fruit. Alright, so this is what we have so far. So we installed these racks into the pantry because otherwise it's really difficult to sort of reach in and grab everything. So these are just from Bunnings, but you can also get them from IKEA, but we felt that the Bunnings ones felt like they were more durable and better quality. So here we have my labelled cartons, looking very nice. I labelled it at the top because if I label it on the side, like, you know, you won't be able to see everything anyway. So that's the situation we have. And we've got more of these racks up here as well. So yeah, these are super handy. This drawer here is obviously not all organized with perfectly matching containers, which Phil really wants to do, but I just don't want to waste these jars that we have. I just feel like they're, you know, doing the job. So there's no point in going out and getting matching containers just for the sake of it. So this is the situation. They're soft closing as well, which is nice. So here I've prepared some fruit dips, olive oil and bread, olives, cheese and quince, meats and cabana, and duck pate. Hey guys, my friends have gone home now, so I've decided that I'm gonna try and make some bliss balls slash protein balls without the protein powder. I'm gonna make some peanut butter chocolate ones, and I've never made these before, so let's see how we go. So I have some dates here. I've got rice malt syrup, some almonds, peanut butter, and my cacao powder. Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Also, thank you to everyone who commented on last week's vlog, who gave me your feedback on whether or not you like long vlogs or short vlogs. And now that I know that, I think a majority of you guys like the long vlogs, but I will try to keep vlogging regularly. So if I don't have enough footage, I'm still going to put it up anyway, because I think that's what some of you guys told me that you prefer. Also, don't forget to say hi in the comments down below, because I really do love reading your comments, and I know that I say that at the end of every single vlog, but it is actually true. It's basically what motivates us to keep vlogging. So say hi down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!